Hi guys, again with another video. Today I am gonna continue to show you how you can get the wheels from the Mower lawn mower land mowers. Okay, as I said before, previous videos, whenever you take it out of the screw, you need to tap a couple of times. If you have a W40, you can put the W40. If you don't have, just tap a couple of times that right in the corner, that you can easily take it out. Screw. Let's see. That's it. See, as you see, that this is come easy. Sometimes it's become rusty and it's not coming easily. That's why you just with the hammer tap it, and that's it. You go ahead and do the same process. Okay, just tap sideways, this side, the other side, fourth side, and then here, that's good. Then okay, done. This is the way that you can take it out. And this is the easy way. Let's go to the other side, like that. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead. Do the same thing this side. Right. Okay. And again, tap. That's it. And then, as I said, if you have a W40, if you wanna not see, that's not working. See, this is a little harder. Hit a little stronger. Let's see. Try again. Oh, see, it's loosed already. Yeah. Okay. Same thing, you know. If you don't tap with the hammer, you're gonna have a hard time to take it out this because it's the rust. Same thing on this. Tap it. Then go ahead. Try. See. Let me do one more time. Okay, let's try. Okay, see? It's loose. Yeah, that's it. Here you are. Now you can do whatever you want to do it. As you see. For all, it's out now. Alright guys, thank you for watching again, and see you soon with another video, and this is the one, as you see. Okay, bye.